Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today we're going to be going over Ethereum and Bitcoin 4-hour and daily time frames. Right now we're starting off with Ethereum. As you can see, we finally got a little bit of a reprieve bounce yesterday. It decided to cut out around here and then we started climbing. We can see that there is already a little bit of resistance right here at the 200. If we can get a little bit more buying support and we can bring this up above the 200, which is this neon blue line, if we can get above the 200 and close and open above it, that is good. Next attempt will be probably right here to the 21, which is at 3,331. Our goal is to get above the 21 EMA and close above it, and that way we can finally say that buyers are stepping up. If we cannot get above here at 32.81 after a few 4-hour closes, I'm going to assume that we are going to just trickle on down. We might test this low again. There's going to be lots of stop losses right here from everyone who bought yesterday, and if the market makers wants to collect as much money as possible, he's going to put on the pain, bring the prices all the way down, and then maybe meet up with this area, because this, as time goes on, this will continue moving up, and maybe we can get a nice bounce at around 3,035. Sorry, it's early today. That's the 4-hour of Ethereum. Okay, that's the short time frame. If we're looking at the daily we did close under the 21 EMA. We are attempting today to close above the 21 EMA. Our hard resistance right now is this 200, which is around 34.87. So if we can get this continued buying pressure and we can close above this 3,487 today at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, we can assume that the buyers are trying to step up, and then we have to wait for the next day to see can we continue. As you can see, many times before, we get up and we just shoot right back down and take out the previous lows, get everyone out, and that's how the market maker makes his money. Get everyone excited, let the price run up really, really fast, liquidate all the shorts and the stops, take all these people out, and then as soon as everyone thinks it's safe, run it right back down on their face. And that's literally what we just had occur with the market maker. Other than that, we can wait today patiently and see if we can close above the 21 EMA, which is at 3,200. If we can close above 3,200, we can wait tomorrow and see if there's a retrace. If there's a retrace down and you have not gotten in yet, you can get in. But I would say the safest area is this 100 EMA, which is around $3,000. If we can stay above that, we are good to go. You can slowly dollar cost average in. And then keep in mind, since there's so much resistance over here at the 200 at 3,500, it'd be a good idea that if you're entering here, that you take off a part of your position here to protect yourself in case they do run it back down. So if you're taking any kind of allocation, you should have a plan already in place, not wait for it to happen and then be a deer with light in your eyes. Have a plan in place that when it comes back into this range, you will take off 25%, 50%, however you want to manage your risk, and then you can let the rest run and take more profit as we hit higher milestones. Aside from that, I just want to let everyone know that the weekend is coming up. During the weekend, all kind of crazy shenanigans occur, so maybe have your plan in place, and if your entries come, take them. If not, just wait till Monday. I usually don't like to trade over the weekend because that's the wild, wild west in crypto. So we're going to move on now, and we're going to go to Bitcoin 4-hour. And same thing occurred. We were hoping that we finally stopped the bleeding around the 200, and that's kind of what happened. We have about 4 to 8 hours of buyers stepping up, but we're finding resistance again at the 200 EMA. That's around 42,500. If we can get this done first, if we can reclaim this, open and close a 4 hour above this, we have a chance, an attempt to get back to that 45K area, which I was assuming that we would eventually retrace to, and then we can see if we reject. Right now, the 21 is under the 100 MA, and that's already showing weakness. So I will assume as buyers try to step up, there's going to be people trying to break even and take their loss in this area. Let me just clearly demonstrate that. So you're going to assume whoever got trapped here is going to try to sell as soon as they get into this range again to break even. So this is a lot of resistance. We might chop around here, like this for a few days and then maybe attempt. So don't rush. If you're trying to buy, I mean, feel free, but do it slowly. There's no reason for you to blow your whole load on one shot. Just, be careful. This is where everyone is slowly pushing the price. As you can see, the price is in a downtrend. We just tried to do an uptrend, failed, more selling pressure, even harder selling pressure, took out these lows. So all these people are stopped out, and all these people who bought over here got liquidated. And now, if they're using high leverage, they got liquidated. Can't assume that. We're just assuming that there was panic and fear in the market, and that's why it sold off so fast. There was more sellers than buyers. That's the only way you can make this happen this fast. And then now, oops, sorry about that, guys. Now we can wait and see how the rest of the day plays out. If this buying pressure continues up, that'd be wonderful. But as we said, we have a lot of resistance coming in over here. And then that's the first step to get above 42,574 for a 4 hour close. And then if we can continue the momentum, the next level of resistance will be at 44,800. And keep in mind, all these numbers will change as the day goes. These are just averages. These are EMAs, exponential moving averages, and then these are MA moving averages. They're all calculated differently, so feel free to go to Google and check what that is. Here is your daily for Bitcoin. As you see, we are trapped in between the 200 and the 100. In my eyes, this now on the daily time frame looks like we are trying to attempt an uptrend. The downtrend, was clear and strong, and this is a daily chart, guys. So this is the real chart you want to be focusing on. Now you can see we've been accumulated here for weeks, and now the uptrend is finally up in progress. So we'll see how strong of an uptrend it is, because there's levels of resistance on the entire way up. And as you can see, your first level of resistance, as I was pointing out already, was the 200 MA, which is 448,200. And we can see if we can come back above that. That's a major resistance. Let's first try to shoot for the 21 EMA, which is at 44,500. Once that's broken, we can try to attempt to do this. It will not happen right away. If it happens fast, it's usually a fake move. I would be cautious. You want to see slow consolidation here. It's going to go up and down for a few days, and then it will try to make its attempt. So please be patient. Someone is definitely accumulating. It seems like some big institutions. This is their playground right here. This is retail, getting too excited and just buying it up. But the real accumulation already occurred, and now they're driving the price up. As the price goes up, they will be selling off, taking their profit, reducing their position, selling to retail who wants to buy at ridiculous prices because they're impatient. And then they will redo the same drop again, and then the process continues. The markets is like a wave. Things will go up, things will go down. Things will go to the right. They never go left. So just be patient. have your entries and exits pre-planned. If you have no plan, your plan is to fail. So make sure you pre-plan these moves out, and we will see how they go from there. Thank you again for coming by to the channel, guys. I really appreciate you liking, subscribing. Hit the a little thumbs up button for me. It really helps. Feel free to leave any suggestions, any comments below. Any other assets you guys would like me to review, let me know. I will take a look at them for you. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow.